Imagine living in a world where the line between what is real and what is fake has completely disappeared, where copies no longer represent reality, but replace it. Welcome to the world of simulacra, a concept that challenges everything we know about truth, meaning, and existence. The idea of simulacra, famously explored by the French sociologist Jean Baudrillard, suggests that in modern society, symbols, images, and representations have taken on a life of their own. They no longer point to any original reality. Instead, they become the reality. Baudrillard described this phenomenon as hyperreality, a state where simulations are more real than the real itself. But how did we get here? Historically, Baudrillard outlined 3 orders of simulacra. In the pre-modern era, images and symbols were reflections of reality. Think of religious icons or royal portraits that represented divine or political truth. During the industrial era, mass production created copies, signs that began to blur the line between original and imitation. And in the postmodern era, we entered a stage where simulations no longer reference anything real at all. They create their own meanings, a world where Disneyland, social media, and advertising construct a reality that feels more authentic than life itself. Today, we live in this hyper-real condition. The perfect lives on Instagram, AI-generated influencers, and virtual experiences have replaced genuine human interaction. We are surrounded by images that tell us what to desire, who to be, and how to live, yet these images are detached from any authentic truth. Sociologically, this concept forces us to rethink how society constructs meaning. Baudrillard argues that in a consumer-driven world, value no longer lies in utility or truth, but in symbolic exchange. Debord's theory of the society of the spectacle complements this, suggesting that social relations are now mediated by images. Zygmunt Bauman adds that in liquid modernity, identity becomes fluid, constantly reshaped by media and market forces. Real-life examples surround us: a newsfeed where truth competes with memes, a marketplace where a brand's image is more valuable than its product, and politics where spectacle replaces substance. Even our emotions become commodified. Think of influencers selling authenticity as a product. The question is, when the simulation becomes more convincing than reality, do we still know what is true? Or are we living inside an illusion so deep that we've stopped searching for what's real? If this made you question the world around you, then you're exactly where you should be. Subscribe and join me as we explore more ideas that challenge modern society, truth, and the self from a sociological lens, because understanding the illusion might just be the first step to breaking free.